Day 3 of Disney World. We just got our virtual queue for TRON, and we're the 45th group or something like that. So we're gonna be like the first. I'm so excited. We're gonna go get hot chocolate. We got our hot cocoa. Put hazelnut cream in it again. It tastes like Nutella. It's so good. We are in the shuttle now with my dad. Say hi to the vlog. Yay! We're going to Magic Kingdom now. We are now in line to go into the park. Are you excited, Brayden? I always have to ask if you're excited, because if I don't ask if you're excited, it's not part of the video. It's not a Chloe Aala vlog. Because I always ask you, are you excited? And you're like, you go like this, like, yeah, there you go. Ah, are there any rides here that are exclusive? Here, TRON, 7 Doors Mine Train, and that's really it. Oh, the contest is so bad. We are walking down Main Street. We're walking down Main Street. We're gonna go on Space Mountain. It's a 20-minute line, but it's probably gonna get to like an hour, which is fine. Are you excited?
I think it's actually worth it.
I know. Tomorrowland!
Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell.
The bell.
Please.
Please. We are going to Space Mountain now, and it's a long line. We have Lightning Lane for 7 Doors. We're actually really close. Oh, never mind. It stopped. Are you excited? Oh, I need a wheelchair. We just finished the ride. Look how cool.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh my god.
It's actually like WINNIE.
You guys, it's the Loco recap with Loco Moco. First of all, we're gonna do something first. We're gonna do a fit check with Chloe herself. So, here's the fit.
Here's the fit today. I have my ankle brace, obviously.
Ankle brace.
A white tennis skirt, a orange flowered tank top, and then my homemade Winnie the Pooh ears, and then my Winnie the Pooh backpack.
Winnie the Pooh backpack. And the Winnie the Pooh magic band.
Yeah.
So pretty much all Winnie the Pooh today.
All Winnie the Pooh.
Now time for today's segment of Loco's Recap. Alright, so we just went on Space Mountain here in Orlando, Florida. A little bit different than the one in Anaheim, but still very fun. Let's ask Chloe for her opinion. Chloe.
It was really cool. However, you could see, it was weird that you could see the track and we were going so slow.
You could see the track.
Yeah,
yes.
We were going like 50 miles
But
an
it was
hour.
also still unexpected. Now going to the handicap version of Brayden. Here we go. Brayden in a wheelchair.
Oh yeah.
Brayden, how was Space Mountain?
That's pretty fun.
Pretty fun? Out of 10, what would you rate it?
I can't feel my legs. Like a 5.
Like a 5, okay.
Out of 10.
And the woman of the hour, it is Mom. How did you like the ride? 8 out of 10, nice.
Dad.
And Dad, out of 10.
Give it a 8. Better than the Navi River by a little.
Better than the Navi River by a little bit. I agree. You know what? Honestly, I'd rather have the Navi River than this one. Just kidding. This one was great.
The wait was not that bad.
Honestly, this one, there it is. That is Space Mountain right there. That is Space Mountain.
Brayden Cam.
Hey guys, so I'm walking Brayden right now. We're probably gonna go on the Buzz Lightyear, but now it's like a 75-minute wait.
Oh.
And that is nasty.
Hello guys. Chloe's gonna put this part of the vlog, right?
Pause.
We're trying to find a ride to go on right now.
But do your daily Loco Moco.
What's going on, you guys? It's Nathan, aka Loco Moco. We are about to go on Autotopia right now. Even though
It's called Tomorrow Speedway.
it's called Tomorrowland Speedway. Even though 4 out of the 5 of us drive, and the one that can't drive is handicapped, we're basically doing driving simulator, even though we do driving simulator IRLs. Chloe, how do you feel about that? Honestly, we need something to kill time because we are going on TRON. It's only boarding groups right now, 1 through 14, and we're group number 47, so it's still a little while, so we have some time.
Well, there's a lot of people all of a sudden.
There is a lot of people all of a sudden, so we will check back to you when we are at the front of the line.
Everyone just started to go.
Yeah. What's up, Chloe?
Joe Swanson. Joe Swanson. Jimmy. I put my hair in braids because it's so hot, but I think clouds are starting to become a little bit more overcast. But Winnie the Pooh is right next to us, so I really want to go there. I love Winnie the Pooh so much, can you tell?
Winnie the Pooh just came out. I need to go. I need to go. Oh my god, it's Winnie the Pooh. Oh my gosh.
Gotta wait our turn, buddy.
Oh my god.
We got priorities here.
I love you, Tigger. I love you too. We are going on the Tomorrowland Speedway now.
I don't know.
Let me cook. Boring. We just finished the ride. Brayden was a terrible driver. What? I rated 0 out of 10. Oh, this is Winnie the Pooh's house. So cool. It's actually Mr. Sanders and he stole it, so.
And we're out.
It's Winnie! It's Honey! Oh my god, look! He's here! This is his thoughtful spot! Eeyore's gloomy place! Aww! This is my computer wallpaper! Oh my god, pumpkins! Best ride ever. This was my best ride ever at Disney World. We are going to the store now. That was so cool. How it was like, it wasn't like flat on the ground. It wasn't like just it's like it was moving. What are your thoughts on the Winnie the Pooh ride?
If you like Winnie the Pooh, you'll love it. That's
The queue and the ride is so different from Disneyland.
Let me be honest, I think the line might have been better.
Brayden, what are your thoughts on Winnie the Pooh ride?
I think the games at the line are better.
We're gonna go eat now, and now we're gonna go to the food review. Food review, I got the queso fundido hot dog. We are going on Tron now.
For the Tron ride.
The Tron ride. Finally. Boy.
I didn't. I'm sorry. I don't want you to go beast mode.
Finally got called for a virtual group. So now we have to wait like an hour.
Hey, remember when you slapped me when I was young?
Wow. Dad, how would you rate it?
Yeah, like a 9 for sure.
9 out of 10? Mom? 10 out of 10. Dang.
8.5 out of 10.
I agree. It was like, honestly, this is one of the best rides here besides Winnie the Pooh. I got the mango peach refresher from Jeffrey's. That tastes so good. This circus area is so cute. It's so hot. Like, I am dying. My camera's gonna die because of the heat. We just got, that's okay. We just got a cinnamon roll, more like a cinnamon loaf, and Gray Stuff cupcake. I'm so excited. I always wanted to try Gray Stuff, but I never have. And we got the Gaston's apple cider with marshmallow and pomegranate.
The train closes. Are we on the train?
Oh yeah, they closed it.
Oh.
The pomegranate's sour.
Damn.
The marshmallow is good. We are in line for, what is it called? Goofy Sky School? No, that's Disneyland.
It's the Goofy ride.
We're in line for like Brainstorm or something.
Goofy ride.
The ride ended up breaking down, so we're back. Cavern. Whoa, that's crazy. We're at the castle.
Okay.
We're eating at Crystal Palace now. And look, it says Winnie the Pooh and Friends. I'm so excited for this. Yeah.
I did well.
Yeah, she did. She's so good at planning.
Congratulations, Chloe. UCI. I'm so proud of Davis. So good full ride.
Go eat
We could go on and on and on, but sorry.
And Nathan being like, I want to go home. Brayden, this stuff is Winnie the Pooh thing, the food.
No, you're good. Yeah, even the meat.
Oh, it's Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. Friendship Day celebration. Oh my god, it's Eeyore and Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, that's so cute. I got food. I'm gonna try it. Food review, how does that taste, Nate?
Red lentil curry.
Pretty good?
7.5 out of 10.
I got herb chicken, fried chicken, and broccoli. The chicken is good too. It's a little bit dry, but I also got mashed potatoes. He's good with it. But I think that my favorite part is Winnie the Pooh and his friends here. Eeyore, yay! Say hi to the fans! Thank you, Eeyore, you're right. He's putting his butt against you. So mean! He signed my ears. I'm gonna have Piglet come back and sign it.
I guess that's what you
I mean, what if it's a tiger?
You're my favorite. He's like you. He's just like you.
Oh, my husband's favorite is
Yeah, my dad loves you. Ultimate Riz. We got Winnie the Pooh dessert. Carrot cake, honey gelatin, Eeyore one, I don't know, it's like a cake, and then pudding for Tigger. Tigger, Eeyore, Pooh, and wrap. Sorry.
Hey, Riz. Do it, Brandon. Do the kiss. Do the kiss.
I'll do it when he leaves. We're asking for a lot.
Can you blow me one last kiss? One last.
The Riz.
She loves you. She's gonna cry. You know what's up, man. You know.
We're watching the fireworks now. They're starting. So we're back in the hotel room now. It was a long day. I am now editing my Hollywood Studios video, so hopefully I'll have that up soon. Today is the second to last day of Disney. I'm kind of excited to go back home because I'm really tired. But I'll see you guys at Epcot tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications and share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.